Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It is LOVELIJA here with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I do my winter makeup routine. So it's very simple. It's not really taking too much out of my everyday routine that I showed you guys before. I'm just taking out some steps. So if you want to see how I do my everyday makeup routine, go ahead and continue watching. But make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And make sure you hit the notification bell, and let's get started. Okay, so to start out with my everyday makeup routine, I already have my face moisturized with shea butter just because that's what I like moisturizing my face with. I do have combination oily skin already, but during this weather, my face is dry, okay? Very dry. So I have to use shea butter. To get started, I'm going to prime my face like usual using my Tatcha Silk Face. What is it? My Tatcha Silk Base Canvas Primer. And just put that mainly in like my T-zone area and my smile lines. And just spread it out. Now I look like I have like a white cast on my face a little bit. All right, to top that primer off, I'm using my Melody Mills Soft Gleam Radiance. Cause I only use this in like the winter time, and I've like had this for maybe going on a year or two. I don't know if it's been a year or a year and a half, but yeah. And a little bit goes a long way with this product. It's very moisturizing, so if you just want to use this as a primer, then that's fine. It works well as a primer. So I got this tip from Jackie Aina. This is my first time like actually doing it, but I've been using this like with my makeup for my everyday winter routine. So I'm just going to take Trippin' Matchstick from Fenty Beauty and just place that where I usually highlight. Cause it's like a cream. I like to say dewy and glowy. Just blend that out on my finger. Alright, so for foundation, I'm using my Fenty Beauty foundation. I'm in the shade 390. I got this cute little onesie from Walmart. It's like, it has a hood and everything. I'm not gonna put the hood on, but it's so cute. So I'm just gonna shake that up and take about 2 pumps or 1.5, not too much. This foundation always look weird when I put it on camera, but I'm telling you, like, I've used this foundation before multiple times. This is still like, this foundation is still my first bottle of this foundation. Like, I have not bought another bottle of this foundation yet, and I bought this a year ago. A year and some change ago. So, just gonna just hurry up and buff that out with my Real Techniques brush because this foundation does dry down pretty quickly. Alright, so we have the foundation on. I really love this foundation. If you didn't already know, like, the foundation, it just looks like skin. It's just, I love the finish of it. It's like a demi matte foundation. So to highlight, I'm taking my Bamboo Matchstick from Fenty Beauty. And I'm just gonna blend that out with my buffing brush. Okay, so we have the concealer blended out. I really like using this concealer because it's not like too bright and it's not like too overwhelming. It's not a full coverage concealer, but I just love the finish of it. Like, it gives me a natural like soft glow underneath my eyes, as you can see. And it's just like, you know, I'm radiating from all this glow. Okay, so really what's different in my winter routine is that I don't use too much powder. And typically I would use my Huda Beauty powder, but this powder really dries out my skin. I can only really use this for the summertime, so I'm not using this powder today. The powder I would use my Maybelline Shine Free Loose powder, and really OG for me. And also I may take my Revolution powder, so I switch between the two. So yeah, I either use Revolution or Maybelline Soft Focus. These are already like kind of mixed up. I'm just gonna take my regular sponge that I used to apply my powder with. It was my Real Technique sponge. I know it looks dirty, but I really only use this for powder now. So, I mean, look, I guess I can clean it. I need to. Okay, I'm not a dirty butt. Ooh, no. Okay, let me blend out my under eye again because I do too much. And I'm just pressing that into my face. I'm not like letting it bake or anything. Just put that everywhere I highlighted. Okay, so I backed my camera up a little bit. I just felt like it was kind of close so you can see everything I'm doing. So I am going to set the rest of my face and using my Sephora powder. This is always going to be used. I'm just taking my blush brush. Just taking a little bit, I'm not taking a lot. Okay, so now that we have the rest of the face set, I'm going to go off camera and do my eyebrows, and I will be right back. Alright, so I'm back. I did my brows. I will do a brow video one day. I'm loving how my foundation really looks. It really looks like, you know, soft and, you know, natural and flawless. So this is coming along well. I am going to bronze up a little bit. So as you already know, I'm using my Black Radiant Soft Focus. It's really like, can someone point me to a new bronzer? I mean, like, I don't think you can. I don't think anyone can point me to a new bronzer, because when I first saw this bronzer on the Alyssa Ashley video like a long time ago, and I bought it, and I've been using it ever since, and I haven't even hit the pan yet. I mean, I can slowly like see it. I don't know if you can see it right there, but yeah, I love this stuff. Like, I'm not really like looking for a bronzer. That's probably why I haven't found like another one. But I did look at like the Anastasia Beverly Hills ones to see if I would like any of those, but I don't know. None of them really like caught my eye. And I just add like whatever is on my brush, like to my nose as a soft contour. I really don't contour my nose, not even for like really special occasions. Like, it's really rare when I contour my nose. I don't know why, I just like my nose. And just put a little bit underneath, not too much, because you don't want those like harsh lines. Okay, ooh, we're looking a little snatched. Okay, so now that we're bronzed up, I am going to add a little bit of blush. So for blush, I'm going to take my Tarte blush using my blush brush. Same brush I use to do my powder, but I mean, it's not going to hurt. This adds a really nice color to the face. So I'm going to set my face with my MAC Fix Plus. Okay, so time to highlight using my favorite duo, my Real Techniques. This is actually a setting brush, but I use it for highlighter. Like, I don't really ever use brushes for what they're known for. Just put a little bit on my nose, just like a daint little movement. I do want to add some like definition to my eye before I do my mascara. So I'm just going to take my bronzer and just take like a fluffy brush and just put that in my crease. Okay, so now that we have definition in the eyes, I'm going to do my mascara really quick using my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. Actually, I'm going to use my Smashbox X-Rated mascara paired with my Luminous primer. So I'm going to do that really quick. Alright, so I have my mascara done and I'm just going to finish off the look with the lip. I'm going to line my lips with this Ruby Kisses brown lip liner. Alright, so my lips are lined. So I'm using my Ulta Beauty Juice Infused Lip Oil. It's kind of like the Clarins lip oil, but Ulta Beauty. It does have like a lip glossy smell. Alright you guys, this is the finished look. This is my winter routine. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video as much as I did. You know, I really like filming this video. This is really, like, the makeup came out really nice. If you like this look as much as I do, go ahead and give this look a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell. And leave me some comments down below on what your winter routine consists of. Or just, you know, some videos you want to see. And I will see you in my next upload.